Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy, if you're new here, and today I've got a weird angle going on. You're going to need to kind of see my hair for what we're doing today. So today we are going to be dyeing my hair. I thought I'd just kind of come on and show you a real quick basic of what I do. I am going to do a different color today. We're going to use the Garnier Nutriche Raspberry Jam number 362 Darkest Berry Burgundy. So I did get out my petroleum jelly, my Vaseline here. We're going to put this like right around here. I don't want to go all the way up into the hairline because I want that hair to color, but we're going to go right up into here and around my ears because I always end up with this big mess. So we're going to try to use that. I don't do anything spectacular by painting my hair up or anything. No, I have no makeup on today because it's just going to get ran and make a mess anyways when I rinse. So I'm just going to run my brush through like this. Make sure I got most of the tangles. Like I said, I don't do a bunch of splitting my hair, all of that. Yes, I'm wearing just this tank top and my bra straps are showing. I'm sorry, guys. It's just easier when I dye my hair so I don't make a big mess everywhere. So I just throw on a quick little tank top back here so I don't get stuff all over them. So we're just going to take a little bit here like this. Like I said, I don't want it all the way up into my hairline because I'm going to be coloring that. But at the same time, I don't want my ears stained. I don't want my face stained. Although I have found a lot of my makeup removing balms will actually take that off. So will makeup wipes. So those are kind of a nice little handy helper, but you know. So we're going to get into this package here, and my nails are horrible. I know. I'm going to be redoing them today. So the little bottle of conditioner they give you, the developer in the color, the cream in the color, little oil ampule. It's supposed to help with frizz or something, but we're going to try it. So, and of course this is taped too. Everything is taped, so let's read some instructions. Your gloves, of course, comes in it. Alright, twist off cap of developer cream. Remove upright. We're going to pull the little pink. There's a little pink tab that keeps the end from poking all the way in, so you gotta take this off. Put this in, twist it back in so it breaks the seal inside. And then we're gonna put this in here. And it's kind of like your tube of toothpaste trying to get it out. Back in there. And then it's just to snap this off. There, it snaps that way. Well, it snapped, but it is not coming off. Let me grab some scissors real quick. Literally 3 steps from them. I do have a towel, so we don't make a big mess. Pop that off. And we're just putting it in the vial here. I'm going to put this in and shake really well. we're just gonna pop that off like that. And it's running everywhere, so we'll just start applying. And then I just like to get down in here because I've got some grays that are starting to show, and that's what prompted me to decide to dye. And then I decided we wanted something different, so we're gonna go with this. And I just kind of use the tip to create a little spot in there to get into those roots. Once I get all the roots done, I will be back to show you how I do the rest of it. Alright, now that we've made sure my roots are all covered, I'm just going to go through and take pieces of my hair, kind of like so, and I just kind of run it down it, and then work it through it. I want to make sure I get everything well coated in color, so that it looks nice. And then I will go through, like so, we do one side and then the other. It's nothing spectacular, but if you're having problems doing it at home or whatever, kind of a helpful way to do it. Make sure I get my ends. And it's messy, but I will go through it and get this all finished, and I will be right back. Alright, and you see I've gotten it all well covered. I'm just going to take my little shower cap here. I had to take the gloves off. They were just disgusting by the time I was done. And we're just going to pop that right on. Gorgeous. We're going to let this sit for, it says 25 minutes. I'll probably do 30. If you can see, I've gotten it everywhere. Hence the reason I did the Vaseline up here and around my ears. Because it's all over my ears, but it'll rinse right off when I rinse it out. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when this is all done, and I'll show you the final product. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, so here we are all done. It has kind of a red and a purple tint to it. It's not horrible. Not what I was expecting. But it's pretty. My roots got way darker than the rest of my hair, which is the way it always works. My hair naturally ombres. I have not had blonde hair in a while, so all of this has been put back to pretty much natural. So it's been trimmed a couple of times, and just as it grows, it just naturally ombres to a lighter color towards the end. So that's what we've got going there. If you can see, got good angling and lighting for you, but it's kind of a reddish color. I like it. I mean, for now, I'll probably just go with a straight black again. I had black hair a long time ago, and I'll probably just do that to kind of even it all out. I do have some staining I didn't quite get up here because I didn't want to get into my hairline, so I got a little bit of staining going on in some places, but that's alright. And this is what my hair does when I blow dry it. It gets nice and poofy, but that's okay. I'll just put it up in a ponytail anyway, so. Yep, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.